Okay, I'm sure you guys can't wait. Let's just start this event. Please welcome Sean Stelfox and also Casey Mormon.
Hello. How are you today? Yeah, thank you for coming out on a Saturday morning to hear us talk. We're going to talk to you about writing an abstract, how to improve an abstract, and how to, get straight to the point. My name is Sean Stelfox, and I am an English language fellow here in Indonesia. I teach at Universitas Islam Indonesia in Yogyakarta, and I am joined by Casey Mormon.
Hi, I'm Casey Mormon. I'm also an English language fellow. I am based in Bogor at Bogor Agricultural University, or IPB. Thank you for being here on a Saturday.
Okay. So, there we go. This is our presentation. So what will you learn today? What is the goal of coming here today? Well, we want to teach you how to write and identify the qualities of an effective abstract. You will be able to improve your ability to write an abstract and be prepared for international publication.
Okay, so let's look at the agenda for today. These are the activities. We have a true and false quiz, really quick quiz to see what you already know. Then we have a short presentation to introduce abstracts. Then you will evaluate abstracts with a rubric. Then we will play a game. We all like games. Then you will have an opportunity to write your own abstract with a small group. Then we will play another game and have a discussion afterwards.
Yeah, this is going to be a workshop, so we want some active involvement with you as the participants. So rather than having us talk for 45 minutes about abstracts, we want to have you engaged with writing an abstract and identifying the qualities of a solid abstract.
Okay, so let's start the quiz. Everybody grab your two circles. You have a red circle and a green circle. Okay, we're going to practice. Sean and I will model first.
Okay.
Okay. I brought a smartphone. Green is yes, red is no.
I have my smartphone with me, yes.
Okay,
So
let's try it. I brought a smartphone today. Green true, red false. Okay?
Okay, I see a lot of greens and a few reds.
And that's okay if you don't have one. We will do an activity later with the smartphone. If you don't have one, just work with your neighbor. Okay, next one. I have written an abstract in the past. Green or red? I have written an abstract in the past.
Many, many, many greens.
Many of you have. Wonderful. Some of you haven't.
Awesome.
That's good. Thank you for being here. Okay, and I am excited to be here. Green, yes. Red? Oh, good. Green only. Yes, good. I'm excited to be here.
All
Wonderful.
greens. Excellent. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's try the quiz. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. So an abstract is a short summary of your completed research. Green is true, red is false. Go. Okay, very good. It should be green, true. Okay, an abstract is a short summary of our research. It must be understandable to a specific or small audience.
See your card. Is it green? Is it red?
Green or red?
What is it?
Green circle, red circle. Oh, okay, it's about 50-50 here. We're not sure, and that's okay. This lets us know what we need to address. Okay, so the key part here is specific or small audience. Okay, we'll talk more about that. It's best if the title conveys the overall point of the abstract. Green or red? True or false? Okay, about 50-50, and that's okay. Good. The body of the abstract should include charts, tables, figures, or spreadsheets. Ah, okay,
Which
very
one?
good.
Green or red? Okay.
Yes, that would be false. You already know. Very good. The results and conclusions should not be included.
Green or red?
Okay, a couple greens. All right, so we'll talk more about that as well. A lot of red.
And we'll review these at the end with
Yes.
our last quiz. So we just wanted to use this true and false as a way to introduce the concepts in your brain and have you start thinking about abstracts and the qualities and features of an abstract. So,
You can put the circles away.
yeah, like we said, we want to engage you in this workshop rather than having us talk a lot. So we want to ask you a few questions. You are the experts. Take a moment to look at these questions. We have 3 questions here, and we want you to think about the answers to them according to you.
Okay. So as Sean said, this is going to be more interactive. So we're going to have you work with a partner, but not just any partner. Okay. Let's show them what we're talking about.
Okay. How do we find our partner for this presentation?
All right. We want you to find somebody and give them a high five. Okay. Sean and I are high five partners.
Yep. Now
Okay.
we work together because we're our high five partner. So find
Okay.
somebody. They don't have to be next to you, but give them a nice high five. There we go. Does everybody have their high five partner?
Everybody have a high five partner?
All right.
Who needs a high five partner? Okay, if you need one, you can work with another person, another
Yeah.
group. That's okay.
We can
3
have
people.
3 people in a group. That's okay.
Okay, so now you had an opportunity to think and process the questions. We want you to now discuss these questions, or actually the first one. You have 60 seconds to discuss what is an abstract with your high five partner. Go.
Okay, start coming up with your ideas. We're going to turn from the crowd. I'll get somebody from this side. Casey will get somebody from that side, and we're going to ask you to share what you discussed in a moment.
Okay, that's about 60 seconds. Thank you. Now, we will have one group, one pair share on each side. Sean, would you like to start?
Yeah, this group right here, you are my side, you are my group. Would there be somebody, one of the high five partners, would you like to share what you talked about? Don't be shy. This is a moment. Yeah, okay, we have in the back.
My name is Teku Ben Ladin Hakim. I'm from Universitas Paramadina. Well, actually, I just want to, based on our discussion with my high five groups, I just want to answer the first question, what is an abstract? Based on our experience, because we just recently make a publication for the final project of our study, so actually an abstract, on our opinion, is about the short or like a summary for all of your package, the thesis or any publication. So it should be like the explanation of what is it, what's your topic about of your thesis or your publication, and in my opinion also, we can also put the result of your research or experiment, and also the conclusion.
Okay, good. So summaries and conclusions of your research or your experiments. That's good. That's good. Let's hear from Casey's group.
All right, on this side, what is an abstract? Any volunteers?
Well, I'm representing this group, okay? My name is Nila, and abstract is a summary of your research result, and it has a certain elements. Of course, probably that would be the second question. Yeah, it's a summary of the, yeah.
All right, great, thank you. So it is a summary of your research, right? Now let's look at the second one. What are the elements of an abstract? Go ahead, let's find a low five partner. What does that look like? Sean, give me a low
Okay,
five.
we're going to find a new partner, but we're going to do a low five.
Somebody new. So stand up, find
Move
somebody
around,
new.
finds a new group, not a high five group, a low five group.
Give somebody a low five. Low five. Say hello, partner. Okay? Now let's discuss the second question. What are the elements of an abstract? 60 seconds, go. Okay. Thank you. Do I have a volunteer? Which group would like to share? What are the elements? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm Yani. Based on our discussion, we have introductions, background, and then objective, the result, the methodology, result, and then the solution, conclusions. Yes. The first and the last is optional. Yeah.
The first and last are optional. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Thank you.
Good.
On this side?
Anybody from my group? Any of the lo-fi partners want to talk about what are the elements of an abstract?
Problem, objective, method, result, or findings, yeah, and then sometimes keywords.
Okay, very good. Very good.
All right, so you all are already experts, right? Okay, so what are the characteristics of a good abstract for international publication? Okay, now we want you to find somebody new, but you need to do a secret handshake. What is a secret handshake? Sean and I will model.
Okay.
All right, let's do a secret handshake. Something different, okay? You can do it, Sean.
Yeah.
You can do it like this or like this. Something different, okay? So stand up and find somebody new. Not your high five, not your low five, somebody new.
Maybe we can mix groups.
Mix the groups, yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to be on one side.
Good. Does everybody have a secret handshake partner? Wonderful. Okay, take about 60 seconds. Think about the next question. What are the characteristics?
We talk about the characteristics. But we can go through that.